Is up, YouTube? I am back from the dead. Haven't posted since my POV drive video, but semester is finally over, so I have time to record more car content. Today we're going to be installing something on my taillights. Aerodynamics. Basically halo rings on my taillights. So this one I opened already. So these bad boys. So the G37 stock comes with, they come with these dotted tail lights that make a circle, but then the ones I'm gonna change them to is like a whole angel ring, halo ring, my bad. And then also I do plan to tint these out to kind of match the carbon fiber, so basically blacking out the reverse light. But first I'm gonna wash the G. Put these tabs out and then pull out the headlights.
Alright, I got this one.
Yeah, the tail lights out. It's pretty dirty on this side. This is how the car is looking. Quite dirty. All I need to do is cut everything and then wire everything. Guys, I started cutting out my But yeah, I started cutting it out. I put a little like an indent line so I can follow it later. And then yeah, I'm trying to make sure the Dremel doesn't break apart and kill me. Yeah, or anyone in here. You want eye protection?
Yeah.
Take the first, guys.
You got Terrence's chiropractor, like whatever.
And
Bro, you suck. Bro, you're gonna kill him.
I think you just get rid of these. You don't need these anymore because in the new thing I bought, that shit just replaces everything. But you do keep the housing. I think all this can go. But yeah, that's about it. And then I'll have Brian paint my housing while I guess start another one because it's like hella light right now. I'm just watching a YouTube video. If you guys need more information, I'll probably link it down below because this man has a 23-minute video installing everything, and I don't want to do that. Alright, so I'm just gonna try to figure out the wiring. The guy on this video, he does a better job at explaining it than me, and let's hope I can figure this out. But you guys, we got the wiring down. We just have to cut a lot of the connectors, so I have to put all of these, expose the wires, and then once you cut the little connector thing off, it looks like this. That will fit through the holes, and you don't need a drill anymore. But I got everything on, pretty secure. Got the fishing wire on, and then these guys are gonna go pick up some food for me.
Come on, babe. Come on.
What?
Let's get food.
Alright, come get me. Oh shit! I'll text you guys what I want. I'm almost done. I just need to put everything back together. The adhesive. I need to put the lens back on. But I'm gonna alcohol wipe it, and then I'm going to throw the adhesive on. And I'm gonna clean the inside of these, make sure everything's nice. Dude, there's hella mosquitoes in here too. What's that, Charlie? You're not gonna go get food with them?
I told him to order for me.
Okay. Step. What Charlie pulled up?
Jeez, Halos.
Yeah.
DIY?
Yep.
Give him his electrical engineering degree after this.
Mm-hmm. Alright, you guys. So I got the housing inside the lens. Now I just need to fish everything through the little back piece that I cut off. And then I need to throw the adhesive on and I'm set. Alright, so we did some bootleg stuff. Got the adhesive on. Had Charlie clamp it down, and
I sat on that shit.
just taped it. What is up, guys? Day 2 of installing the tail lights. Day 2 of installing tail lights. When I was like transferring the clips over to my computer, I noticed that the quality was really shit. So I'm gonna keep it in the video, but I'll probably put like a little timer for day 2 because hopefully I changed the setting for this a little bit so it's like more like manual auto-ish. So hopefully the clips come out better this time around, and I'll keep shooting videos in this quality. But sorry for the hell you have to go through in the first like 3 to 6 minutes of this video. But I'll just do a little update real quick. Well, low key, it brings out the carbon fiber a lot. Last night we finished up putting the clear silicone on. So that's what it's looking like now. I should be good. I might touch it up a little bit with some more, but because where the tape is at, I wasn't able to get the crevices. This is what it looks like now. Should be good. I do need to like polish up the lens of this. It's like really scratched up from car washes and everything. But I think something different I did compared to other people. I kept the reflector on the side. I was gonna keep it here, but I got too lazy. It was hard to pop it out, but this was easy to pop out. So kept this, and then now I'm just gonna epoxy it, wire it up, and we should be good for the day. So now, let's see how this looks without the tape. Still in one piece, that's all that matters. All I need to do now is wire everything up. Alright, so I was able to wire everything up. The moment of truth is now. The lock button, it should work. Yes! Alright. So this is what we're working with now. Ooh. Fill the trunk real quick. Look at that. I'm gonna get some tint film and like 0% this out, and then hopefully see the vision. There's like full carbon fiber and with blacked out housing. Okay guys, now it's moment of truth part 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Alright, now I'm just gonna button everything up and then make sure everything's tight, and then put my trunk all back together, and then I'm set. It was so good doing another car mod. Last time I did a mod was forever ago. Now every time I lock my car, ooh, spicy. It looks way better in person though. There we go, that's probably close enough. Man, can't wait to tip these. At the end of the video, hope you guys stuck around to watch. Sorry that the clips, some clips might be really doo-doo. I don't know, maybe this whole video is doo-doo. I'm gonna upload it anyways, honestly. I just need to post something, but if it's doo-doo, I'll do some more tinkering and fix the quality. But I did get a new mic for the camera, so hopefully the audio is maybe better or more clear. Yeah, I do plan to do more things this summer for my car, because yeah, I can actually afford things now, and have a lot more time, more discipline and motivation. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in the videos. Comment down below any modifications, any types of videos you guys want to see. I do have a list of what I want to do, but can't disclose that yet. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.